Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in today's video I am going to give you the project overview of Runwal the Central Park, which is located near Anna Sahib Nagar, Pimpri Chinchwad, Pune and developed by Runwal Realty. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which on the right hand side of me is the sales office and in front of the sales office is the Mumbai-Pune highway. And here on the left hand side is the land parcel of the project. In this video, we are going to be discussing the below points, which is the project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before I get into the project details, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the developers, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, giving you the project's overview. Runwal, the Central Park, will be constructed on 26 acres of land parcel comprising 14 towers, which will be having 3 basements plus ground plus 2 podiums plus 42 floors. And these floors will be comprising 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residencies. Now, let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of the project. This project is located near Bird Valley Lake, Anna Sahib Nagar, Pimpri Chinchwad, Pune. As you can see, this is the entrance of your project, and in front of the entrance is a service road which connects you to Mumbai-Pune highway, in which from the left side it connects you to Bombay and from the right side it connects you to Pune city. इसमें आपको कनेक्टिविटी मिल जाती है खंडोबा चौक which is within 2.1 kilometers, चिंचवड जंक्शन which is within 1 kilometer and D-Mart which is within 1 kilometer. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं amenities के बारे में. This project gives you over 50 plus luxurious amenities such as indoor infinity pool, banquet hall, 15,000 plus square feet of clubhouse, badminton and squash court, indoor games, outdoor amphitheater, swimming pool and many more. Now, discussing about the carpet area of this project. Runwal the Central Park gives you 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residencies, in which you get 2 BHK which is 860 square feet, 3 BHK which is 1314 square feet, 3.5 BHK which is 1550 square feet and 4.5 BHK which is 2057 square feet carpet area. Now let us discuss the booking process. Project booking window is now open. The client can come and visit the site. Our sales team will help you with the complete project details along with the project's 3D model. We'll share with you the payment and the pricing schemes and we'll show you the actual location of the project. And then if the client likes the project, they can proceed with the booking process. So everyone, this was the project overview of Runwal the Central Park, which is located near Anna Sahib Nagar, Pimpri Chinchwad, Pune and developed by Runwal Realty. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.